foot. Which case are allowed to go out here.
Alright, let's see what our first clue is here. I know you remember 2 tea-loving fools, but I bet you forgot the 3rd member of this trio who lives in a pot. Okay,
so
we need
mouse on the top.
Yeah, okay, alright, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, this way. Think we can get it? Am I right though?
Yeah, so it's, if you remember these 2 tea-loving fools, so the Mad Hatter and the March Hare, that's their names, right?
Yeah. So we need to go get the mouse who sits on top.
The trio who lives in the pot.
So he lives on top.
Dormouse.
Yeah, he lives on top, but he pops up and down.
Yeah, so you don't take a picture there, which I think it's close, but we'll have to figure that out.
Yeah, it's close for refurbishment, so we'll make it.
Okay, so we got our first clue right, which stinks because the ride's down. But our next clue says, hurry, hurry, hurry to the greatest show on earth. Lambert will surely give you your money's worth. So greatest show on earth makes me seem like it's gonna be Storybook Circus, so let's go and take a look and see if we can find something about Lambert.
Yeah.
I don't know who Lambert is, but let's go and try and find him because I think Storybook Circus makes the most sense. We were right, because there he is, there's Lambert. So now we're just waiting on our next clue from Kenny. Just sitting here waiting. Come on, Kenny. Come on, Kenny.
Yeah.
Come on, Kenny.
Now we're waiting at the whims of Kenny and his speeds.
Sorry, Chris. Here's to our good friend Toad, gone early because he didn't watch the road. Okay, so it's either going to be where Mr. Toad used to be or the pet cemetery at Haunted Mansion.
Which one's closer? Pet cemetery. When we go to the pet cemetery first.
No, the closest would be Mr. Toad's because that's where Winnie the Pooh is. So I'm thinking maybe so let's go try Winnie the Pooh.
All right.
Maybe that's right.
All right.
Okay, so I had this idea that it might be at Winnie the Pooh because Winnie the Pooh is what replaced Mr. Toad. That was incorrect. So we are going to go to the Haunted Mansion because they have the cemetery plot for Mr. Toad. So hopefully that's the correct answer. Alright, I'm hoping that the right answer is here.
Oh, for sure.
Come on, Kenny. Come on, Chris from Orlando. Let this be right. Let it be right. Three dots. Come on, Kenny. Come on, Kenny. Yes. His board has a bunch of bad guys you meet at a saloon and might find yourself in a duel with at high noon. Pecos Bill?
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, because he's got a saloon.
Yeah, I'm going to say Pecos Bill. Let's go and try and find him.
Alright, cool. We need some water, guys. So do we think got that one right?
I'm hoping so. If not, it's that sign right there.
Yeah. Figured out. But this is the sign that she's talking about.
But that was incorrect.
What the?
His board has a bunch of bad guys you meet at the saloon and find yourself in a duel with a high noon.
What?
Okay. His board has a bunch of bad guys. Like, but it's not bad guys. That's like Because we need to find like something like this, but with bad guys on it.
Okay, well, we're struggling now. We're struggling with this one.
Okay, so that was correct. So the next one. Hidden among knives, hidden among swords, rum, ships, and knives, like sand through the hourglass, so are the days of our lives. So...
Pirates?
Pirates. Let's go to pirates.
Alright.
Okay, so we just got our answer here. The next one. His legendary batter is ready to serve both home runs and hors d'oeuvres. Casey's.
Ah, yeah.
Let's go. Okay, so our last clue led us here to Liberty Square, to the ticketing booth, and now we're just waiting on our next clue. In case you're wondering, the clue said, want to board a riverboat and put your mind at ease? Best to stop here first and ask for a ticket, please. And that's, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm so hot right now. In the land of the future, galaxies and stars, there lies a reference to William the Bard.
William the Bard?
So definitely in Tomorrowland. So let's just go look around Tomorrowland and try to find this obscure reference.
Yeah.
Okay, so that clue brought us to Carousel of Progress. We're not sure if that's right. We're hoping it's right. It's incorrect. In this land of future galaxies and stars, there lies a reference to William the Bard.
So that's...
I have no idea. Do you want to ask for a clue on this one?
It has to be a space reference. Like William the Bard, something named after William the Bard, or something of that reference. Like Merchant of Venus, Astro Orbiter.
I don't know. Okay, so we just got our video clue from Kenny, and we think that he's going to be in Storybook Circus by like where the Dumbo area is. I really hope he is. We're gonna go there live right now. Let's go.
Thank you.
Ah, we don't have to go in, I'm sorry. What?
I accidentally counted one of your wrong clues.
No! Find original clue, then video.
Yeah, the one about the 3 miles above.
Was it not the,
It was not Astro.
ah! You're gonna make me go all the way to Adventureland. All right, let's go.
Well, we found you though.
We better find a Crystal Orlando while we're over there. All right.
And back we go.
Well, we found the last clue. It was over by the purple wall. So we're probably gonna lose now, but that's okay, because it was all in good fun, and we're just sweating our butts off at this point anyway. Ooh boy. Let's go.
Well, we're on the way back. We know where he's at now. It's weird if he moved.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see the other Chris there with him now. Oops, sorry. Flat tire.
Terribly sorry about all that.
One minute, I don't care.
Your time, deducting as your stuff as needed. John is on his final clue.
You got it one time?
So I have the times. But first things first, did anyone find a Christopher Lane? Nope.
Find what?
A Christopher Lane.
No, it was a Chris from somewhere else.
Nah, doesn't count.
We found a Michael from Kissimmee.
I found a Pat from Orlando.
That's good.
That's another YouTube.
But that's not my name. Alright, so
Wait a minute, does this one right here have a customer way down?
everyone gets it. So, I made a gaffe with the hides, which was completely my fault. I will be deducting 5 minutes from their time. But they did need 2 clues, so that's 2 minutes back. So, and
Matt.
yes, you just need the 1 clue. Yes. All right. So that's a minute on to yours. So our times are as follows. John, with the time of 1 hour, 25 minutes, and 9 seconds.
You good?
The highs with the time of 1 hour, 14 minutes, and 53 seconds. And our winner is Chris with the time of 1 hour, 9 minutes, 45 seconds. No need for the clues at all.
There you go.
Very well done, everyone. Congratulations. Woo! It's fun for you guys. Thank you guys so much for doing this.
Yeah, fun.